Hi, I'm Peter Kalmstrom of kalmstrom.com Business Solutions. In this demonstration, I will build a Power App, a Canvas app that connects to this Excel spreadsheet and this table and fills out the data in that. What we simply want people to do in this Canvas app is mark these tasks as completed. And we want them to be able to do that on a phone very rapidly and without any problems. So we're just going to create a new app here. So create blank Canvas app. And that's going to be a phone app, recurring tasks, create, and then we get a nice phone-based UI. So I'm just going to insert a little heading, a gallery, and then we're going to see some functionality for filtering and for saving, and that's it. It should be rather straightforward if everything goes according to plan. So first of all, we're going to have a text label, and we're going to call that recurring tasks. Right, and then we're going to add a gallery. And of course we're going to get that from data. So we're going to go for a connector, and that's going to be an Excel based connector, which is what we're doing now. So we're connecting to a data set. So that's a table in an Excel spreadsheet, looking for the SharePoint or OneDrive site where it's stored. Let's see, there we go. It's a group actually, which is the same thing in the background, of course. So we're selecting the tasks table, connecting to that, and we don't want to insert an auto-generated ID. We have that already, so instead we're going to connect that ID column. So connect that. Right, so now we have our data, and then I'm just going to insert here a gallery, vertical gallery like that, and of course I'm going to connect that to my tasks. Change the layout to be just a title, subtitle, and then we're going to change the fields here. So the subtitle will be the date and the title will be the title. There we go. And I want to change the layout here. Let's zoom in a bit. Let's see, so let's see things a little bit better. There we go. Zoom in, and as you see, we see this with the time zone, which is not what we want. So I'm just going to get the date based on year of this date, and then we're going to do the month of this item date and the day of this item date, and then we get the format as we want it with just the actual date. There we go. That's just the date without the time. Great. So now we're just going to switch this button here, this icon, and change it so that we have a little checkbox instead, so that we can check these things off. When we click that, we're going to patch the task list. So on select, we're going to patch the task list, and we're going to update this item. And we're going to update this item with an object, which means that we put it in curly brackets, and then we set the status equals done. That's what we're sending in. Tasks is what I want there. Tasks. There we go. Let's make this slightly smaller so it fits underneath the heading that we did. Now that looks good. So then now we also want to filter these out so that they disappear. But let's try it first. Let's try this run now. So this here, and now I just click the buy fruit, and what should happen is of course that this gets saved and it sets done from the buy fruit. Let's try it one more time just to make sure. Send invoices. Let's do that one too, and that one got done also. Perfect. So it's updating the Excel data in the background, which is exactly what we want. Now we just want it to disappear from this list of recurring tasks. We can just call it actually open recurring tasks. So that means tasks that are not done. So now we need to do a filter here. So when we select the gallery here on the items property, instead of just showing all the tasks, I'm going to show where the task status is blank. So I'm going to do a filter. I'm going to show the tasks where the is blank. Status. So status is blank, and now you see we have two of them. The compile reports and clean kitchen. Compile reports and clean kitchen, those are the tasks that are still open. And now let's run this application. Click on one of those, compile report, and it will disappear. So that concludes the demo. In 6 minutes or so, we did a phone app that connects to an Excel spreadsheet and saves its data. And yeah, we're all done with this demo. Thank you for watching this demonstration.